Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Beauty by Ada here. If you're a new subscriber, you're seeing this face for the first time, please remember to click on that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you know whenever I post my videos. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you all so much. I really do appreciate you all. Thank you. Please remember to watch this video and give it a thumbs up, guys. Like my video. So welcome back, guys. If you're a new subscriber, you're seeing this face for the first time, please remember to give this video a thumbs up and click on that subscribe button. Just consider, why not consider joining the family? So guys, this today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this makeup, how I achieved this makeup look. And then now I'm starting off using I first started up by trimming my brows and giving it a nice shape, and then start going in with my Jordana brow pencil, and also now I'm highlighting my brows using my Colourpop concealer and my Morphe angle brush. So after that, I always like to go over my eyelid with my concealer and then blend everything in using my Real Technique Beauty Blender. And after that, I'm going in with my eyeshadow primer. This is a Tara eyeshadow primer. It's a Nigerian brand. It's really good. So I've had it for like a while now. I've had it. I love it. This is my go-to eyeshadow primer. Any day, anytime, this is my eyeshadow primer. And then I'm going in with my eyeshadow using my Morphe eyeshadow brush. So after this, guys, I want to line my waterline, but I'm going to be using this immovable liner. This is the bomb. Like, they sent this to me, but I was like, I need to use it a few times before I can recommend it. And I used it and it was really great. It doesn't smudge or anything. It's really awesome, guys, and it's really affordable. So if you like it, you can click. I have the link in my description box. You can click on the link and get yourself one. It's really affordable and really nice. You can try it out and then tell me what you think in the comment section about this immovable liner. It's really the bomb. I really love it. And after that, I've been using it since then. This is what I've been using. And then for my upper eye, I'm using my L'Oreal cream liner. I got this also off Amazon, and I have the link in my description box if you want it. This particular one, I really love it, and that is what I've been using. I just love the fact that all these things, they don't, all the immovable liner and the L'Oreal cream liner, they don't smudge or mess up your whole makeup thing. I just love the way they are. So that's a great deal, and they're also very affordable, so that makes it work, because you already know I love anything affordable. I don't always go for anything too expensive. And so now guys, I'll be going in with my ColourPop concealer to highlight my face. Like, these are my go-to concealers, the ColourPop concealer and the LA Girl concealer. I love these two concealers so much because of how they are. They don't feel heavy on the face. They are really lightweight. I just love it. And then I'm blending out using my beauty blender. Yeah, this beauty blender too, I think this one, yeah, I got it off Amazon too. I got it from Amazon also. Yeah, I was just trying out new beauty blenders, and then I was just checking out people's reviews and everything, and I bumped into this one and I was like, oops, yes, let me give it a try. And since then I've been using it. It's really great. I think it came in like 5 packs or so, and it's really nice. And then after that, I'll be going over my face with my foundation. And this is the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 340. Yeah, that's my shade, 340. And after that, I'm now going in with my setting powder. This is the Earthspun setting powder. I got that off Amazon as well. You can also try it out. It's really affordable. I only just give you guys affordable and good makeups, like affordable and good makeup products. So you already know. You already know. So this is the Airspun loose powder, setting powder. That's it. And then my elf contour palette, I'm just contouring my nose. You all already know when it comes to highlight and contouring, I'm not really a fan of too much highlight and contouring, so I just contour my nose and then highlight my face and do just mild highlight and contouring. I don't do too much. And I was busy gisting away. I was actually talking with my friends. We were all talking, gisting and laughing, and I was doing my makeup and filming it, and yeah, it was just so much fun. So now and after that, after baking, I'm now blending everything in with my powder. I think this is my Milani powder. Yeah, the Milani powder. And then I am now going in with my blush. This is also the elf blush palette. That's what I used. I got all these things from Amazon. I checked the reviews when I was really looking for like affordable makeup products to buy. I got all these things from Amazon, so you can just check them out. I have most of them in the link in the description box, so you can check it out. And then finally, my lip. Like, before I decided to do this red lip, I was like thinking about it, and it's been so long, like since I did the red lip. I've always been on the nude safe side, but today I decided to give my red lip a try. And this makeup look was for, yeah, was for a photo shoot. And then I'm applying my Milani Fantastic bronzer highlighter. Bronzer. Yeah, bronzer. And after that, I am about to throw that wig on. The wig I'm going to be wearing for this is the luxury cover hair. Like you already know, that's all I am using. That's all I talk about. Luxury cover hair. Like, their hair is so nice. You would really, really, really love their hair. Like, I love it. Their hair is affordable. The quality is great. Like, you would want to own one of those. Like, this is. Then my smash it. Okay, so I'm going in with my Smashbox setting spray. This Smashbox setting spray is the bomb. And then this is the final look. Oh, girl, you got a turn. This is the hair. I'm just like, look at the hair. Look at that hair. Ooh, girl. you are glowing. Okay, this is the final looks, guy. Like, look at that, look at that. I'm popping, I'm popping. So guys, I couldn't get more pictures and everything, so this was all I could get. If you really enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and click on that notification bell. Share this video with your friends and family. Don't keep it to yourself. Share this video. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I really do appreciate you all for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Please remember to subscribe and click on that notification bell so you know whenever I post more videos. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really do appreciate. I'll see you guys in the next video. And if you have anything, any question, any thoughts, any video ideas, any video requests, just leave it in the comment section and I'll definitely get back to you guys. I really do appreciate you all. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Mwah, mwah.